Hi Year 1. This week for Mental Maths we're going to practice counting in fives. Okay, now this is something new. So let's have a look at our 100 square. Well, actually, it's a 60 square because I've folded it over. So we'll start with 5. I'm going to put a red dot on all the numbers we're going to say. Then we add another 5 on. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll get to 10. We add another 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll get to 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll get to 20. Add another 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 25. Add another 5 on. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Are you starting to see the pattern? It's all the numbers in the 5 column and all the numbers in the tens column. They all end with a 0. So let's go through and circle all the numbers that we're going to be using. So we've got 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. What's going to come next? Well done. 35. That's right. 40. What would be next? Good. 45. And then 50. And down to the bottom. 55. 60. And you can keep going. You can keep doing all the numbers to 100 and beyond. But for now, we're just going to focus on the numbers to 60. So let's count again to 60 in fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. Well done. Let's use this number square to help us to fill in the blanks. So let's have a look. We're starting on 5, 10. So we know the numbers are getting bigger, so we're counting up or we're counting forwards. So let's look at our number square if we can't remember what comes after 10. So 5, 10, 15. You jump down to the next line, don't you? So 15 will go in the space. What's the next one after 15? It's 20, isn't it? And you'll notice that the alternate numbers end in either a 5 or a 0. A 5 or a 0. A 5, 0, 5, 0, 5, 0, 5, 0. So all of your numbers when you're counting in fives are going to end in either a 5 or a 0. So in the ones column, it's either going to be a 5 or a 0 in that ones column. Okay? Let's have a look at the second example. What number is this? 3 and a 0. Well done. It's 30, isn't it? And then we've got a 3 and a 5. So this is 3 tens. So that's 30. And 5 ones. So 35. So again, are the numbers getting bigger or smaller? Yeah, they're getting bigger, aren't they? So we're counting up again. So we've got 30, 35, follow it along. 40 is going to be the next one. So 40. Then the next one after that, jump to the next row down. It's 45. There we go. And let's look at the last example. Starting with a 4 and a 5. So what number is that? Well done. 45. We've got 4 tens and 5 ones, haven't we? 45. Add another 5 on and we get to 50. So let's have a look. 45, 50. Add another 5. We get 55. There's our 55. Add another 5 and we get 60. There you go. So Use your 100 square if you're not sure how to count in fives. Remember, every number's going to end in either a 5 or a 0. All right? Have a go at your worksheets this week. Keep practicing. Count forwards in fives. Count backwards in fives. You could start on 60 and you could count all the way backwards to 5. That would be a real challenge for you. And give it your best shot. Well done.